So this is my 100mm Bosch grinder, GWS 6100. It sort of splatters and cuts out randomly, which is usually related to the brushes, so pretty straightforward job to swap over. Once you've got the cover off, it's got to take off the spring-loaded springs, pull out the old brush. There's still a bit left on this side, but you can see it's sort of getting worn down to the copper section there. So just unplug it. On the other side you can see it's just a little bit more worn. Yeah, so a bit of damage there. That might explain why it's been spluttering and cutting out. So just pull them out. Now, these took something like 8 weeks to arrive from eBay. Probably one of the slowest shipments I've ever had, but didn't really matter because I haven't needed the grinder in such a hurry. Yeah, just drop the new ones in, connect them up. These seem to be really tight, which is probably a good thing, but just made it a little bit more difficult to fit. Needed to use a pair of pliers. Once that's hooked back up, just yeah, replace the spring to apply that pressure again, and then just again on the other side. Now those brushes I actually ordered were just a little bit too wide actually, so I had to sand them down just to make sure they were a nice fit. But I suggest ordering actually the correct size. So again, a little bit tricky to get the connector on, but once that's in place, we're pretty much ready to go. A few little bits of debris in there. So replace the cover and give it a test. That's pretty much it.